Row, row, row your boat across the cold North Sea. Sharpen up your sword and axes of class assembly. Row, row, row your boat off to England.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here?
What do you mean what's going on? Can't you see? We're rowing.
Rowing? Rowing where?
Well, as it said in the song, off to England.
Don't you mean England?
Whatever. Look, guys, does it really matter? If we're being honest, we're not actually rowing anywhere. We're just here to give the parents a treat and to educate ourselves.
I think these parents deserve to see something special, like a class assembly of the first of homeschool. Don't you agree?
Yes! Right, well, let's get this show on the road then. A big welcome to you all on this fine day. We are so glad you could join us. We have invited you in today because we want to tell you a few things about what we are doing in class. You might be aware that our main topic this term has been Vikings.
Vikings!
Can you be quiet for a minute, please? I'm speaking to the parents. As I was saying, our main topic this term has been Vikings, so we have decided to show you some of what we have found out. And if you're really lucky, we might even squeeze in some other bits too. Even the bloodthirsty bits?
Probably not. We don't want to scare them.
People that sing row, row, row your boat won't be able to scare anyone.
Oi, that's my favorite song. My mom used to sing that to me when my father was out farming and fishing.
That's actually quite interesting. Tell me more about that.
Tell me more! Tell me more!
Well, if you're sure, I might just have some houses to share their own experiences. And yes, before you ask if they've had the ramen.
Thanks for having us, parents. We have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots to tell you.
Did you know the Vikings like us were actually from Scandinavia? It's an area now known as Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. We used to turn up on beaches and invade.
Man, we were strong. People were so scared of us. Even more scared of us than how Mr. Fellows feels when he's getting a PCR test to the airport. You won't believe the weapons we had in those days. We had swords and battle axes.
Don't forget the shields and helmets we had.
We had no fear, as dying in battle was an honor, as it meant you could feast in Valhalla with Odin and the gods.
We would set sail for a country we had our eyes on.
Then we would attack the sleeping villagers and steal anything that took our fancy.
We would kill some and take others as slaves. We were ruthless. Some historians see us as pirates. I prefer to think of us as raiders. We chose England because we had already traded with the Anglo-Saxons that lived there at the time. We knew they were rich and we wanted what they had.
So in AD 793, we went for it, our first raid on England. Eventually, we took over a lot of the country.
Our mums were so proud. Do you know the part of England under Russian control changed quite a bit? We brought in our own laws, our own police names, customs, farming techniques. The British have a lot they should be grateful for.
We are grateful. It's because of you guys that we have the following words.
Thursday, named after Thor, the Viking god of war.
Friday, the best day of the week, named after Freya, Viking goddess of love and other stuff.
Eggs.
Bread.
Happy.
Masks.
We don't get the word mask from the Vikings.
I know that. I'm wondering if anyone needs one.
Anyway, don't forget, we named lots of places in Britain too. Have you ever heard of a place called Grimsby? Or any village with a name that ends with Thor? That's all because of us.
Fascinating.
I think it might be time for a break. Let's show this audience what singing in the fresh air sounds like.
Can we have a great big welcome for the Viking Stones? Yeah!
Thanks for having us, St. Chris. We're so excited to be here.
It's our first time playing in front of an audience. We did have a gig at the Spring of Culture a couple of years back, but it got cancelled. Can't think why.
We're hoping they'll have us back this coming spring, though. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's show this audience what we're made of. Feel free to join in with the headbanging, parents.
We're the Vikings on a raid. Yeah! Christian monks better be afraid. Yeah! Long ships sail from the northern shore, and we land in Britain with a great big roar. We'll take your gold and we'll take your chain.
being together and showing what we can do. It's been a tough year. True, but together with friends and family, we can go through anything.